Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical DIY garage floor options, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from DIY garage floor options, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best DIY garage floor options from dependable brands. This list includes the following: the Cedar Valley Dock Couch. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Big Floors GarageDeck Coin Pattern Non-Slip Garage Flooring Tile. Upgrade your garage with Big Floors GarageDeck Coin Pattern Non-Slip Garage Flooring Tiles. These durable, high-impact copolymer tiles are designed to withstand the toughest garage conditions, resisting oil, grease, petroleum, antifreeze, and most household chemicals. Each 12-inch 12-inch black matte tile features a coin pattern for superior slip resistance and easy cleaning, making it perfect for a non-slip surface that requires little maintenance. The tiles are lightweight at just 13.6 ounces each and can support rolling loads of over 40,000 pounds. Installation is a breeze. With the patented PowerLock technology, no tools or glue needed. The interlocking design offers endless color combinations for a customizable garage floor. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts, these tiles provide a stylish and functional solution for any garage space. Proudly made in the USA, they deliver premium quality and durability. Enhance your garage today with Big Floors GarageDeck tiles. Crafted with texture and decoration, Big Floors GarageDeck tiles allow you to create a beautiful home. Number 2. Boldworks Garage Floor Tiles Anti-Slip Interlocking Garage Flooring. Transform your garage with Boldworks Garage Floor Tiles Anti-Slip Interlocking Garage Flooring. These durable gray tiles are made from impact-resistant polypropylene, designed to withstand rolling loads of up to 40,000 pounds without breaking or cracking. Each 12-inch tile features a 0.5-inch thickness and a unique brick pattern for enhanced slip resistance, making them ideal for garages, workshops, basements, and more. With UV coating and 6 interlocking loops, these tiles prevent buckling under the sun, ensuring a secure and stable floor. Their water, oil, and stain-resistant properties make cleaning effortless. Simply wipe with a damp cloth or mop. Installation is quick and easy, taking less than 10 minutes with the snap lock mechanism. No tools or glue are required. Upgrade your space with Boldworks Garage Floor Tiles for a stylish, functional, and durable flooring solution that's built to last. Number 3. Attic Deck Flooring Storage System Walking Deck Pallet Boards for Attic. Maximize your attic space with the Attic Deck Flooring Storage System. Designed for unfinished areas over garages or under roofs, these durable walking deck pallet boards provide both storage and walking space, supporting up to 250 lam materials. Made from lightweight, cruelty-free materials, the panels are easy to install, taking just 15 minutes, no cutting or measuring required. Each panel features 5 prefabricated screw holes for secure attachment to attic floor joists and tapered ribs for easy positioning. Open vents allow insulation to breathe, and convenient notches provide easy access to wires, pipes, and ductwork. Whether you're looking to declutter or add accessible storage space, Attic Deck makes it simple and efficient. The sturdy, lightweight construction protects your attic's integrity while offering a practical solution to organize your home. Get organized and make the most of your space with Attic Deck. Number 4. SafeRacks Ribbed Interlocking Garage Floor Tiles Non-Slip Flooring. Transform your space with SafeRacks Ribbed Interlocking Garage Floor Tiles. Non-slip flooring. These heavy-duty polypropylene tiles offer 72% larger coverage than the competition, with each 15.75 into 15.75-inch tile covering 1.72 square feet. Ideal for garages, basements, mudrooms, patios, and more, they provide exceptional value and versatility. Built to withstand heavy loads of up to 4 metric tons, these nearly 3 by 4-inch thick tiles are designed for durability in high-traffic areas. Their rib design allows for effective water drainage and ventilation, preventing moisture buildup and extending the life of your flooring. Installation is a breeze. No tools or special hardware required. Simply snap the tiles together on any hard, level surface and easily disassemble them for cleaning or reconfiguration. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, these tiles offer excellent traction, making them safe for wet or damp environments like pools, boats, or kennels. Upgrade your space with SafeRacks today. Number 5. Purty Garage Floor Mat 2.4 Matic Garage Flooring Roll. Enhance your garage with the Kerty Garage Floor Mat 2.4-inch thickness PVC Garage Flooring Roll. Made from high-quality PVC with an increased thickness of 2.4 meter, this durable mat is designed to withstand the weight of SUVs, trucks, and trailers while providing a comfortable and protective surface. Featuring a geometric diamond-shaped raised pattern, the mat offers excellent anti-slip properties for safe entry and exit. Its waterproof design ensures that dirt and water won't seep through, keeping your space dry and clean, even on rainy days. Installation is quick and easy. Simply unroll the mat and lay it flat. You can easily customize the size by cutting it with scissors to fit your specific needs. Cleaning is hassle-free, requiring just a water pipe, mop, or vacuum cleaner. Perfect for garages, basements, warehouses, gyms, and more. The Kerty Garage Floor Mat is a practical, low-maintenance solution that adds durability and style to any space. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.